All right, cool. Now, Gold Liberty, first things first, like you would go to your broker, of course, you would find out, then we lost that USD if you want. All right, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and find a high paying pair above 70%. This is gonna be the Gold Liberty strategy. This is like a way that I actually learned this from Rocky. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but he kind of taught me this. So I just want to teach it to you guys as well. All right, bet. So right now we see AUD CHF is 77%. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at AUD CHF right now. So I go over here. Over here at the top, you guys are gonna see where it says FXCM, right? You're gonna click it, it's gonna highlight, and I'm gonna go ahead and type in USD CHF. Now you'll see again it pops up with H1, M15, M1. We only want to mess with the minutes, so I'm gonna go to the M5 chart for a 5-minute chart. Now the first things first, what I'm looking at is I'm gonna see what kind of trend it's in, right? Now if I zoom out, kind of looks like it's just working in a downtrend right now, looking like it's going down, down. It dropped all the way down here, and now it's actually working up in a bit of a upwards trend. And I'm gonna go to the 1-minute chart. I like to switch between the 1-minute and the 5-minute chart. All right, cool. Now look, on the 1-minute chart, it's showing us upward, upward, consolidated. What consolidation means, guys, is market staying stagnant in this area. Like it's not any real kind of strong movement. Market's kind of just staying like this. As far as like you guys can see over here, there's strong movement up, strong movement up, strong movement up, consolidates again right here, stays stagnant. Yeah, consolidation is just like whenever it's staying stagnant and it doesn't have any real movement. Like you see how over here it pushes up, pushes up. These are all consolidation places right here. Like it's staying stagnant, stay stagnant. So there's not any real strong movement in any type of direction. Now on a 1-minute chart, you guys can see it's in a strong movement down, right? So how this works is on a 1-minute chart, I'm taking 3-minute entries. On a 5-minute chart, I'm taking 15-minute entries, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. Now, everyone, make sure you guys write this down. So I'm gonna start on the 1-minute chart because everyone likes to come in and get out with the bag. So first things first, we're gonna zoom in a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys how this works. Now, first things first is you're gonna look for cash trap is 3 minutes on your book, right? Yeah, cash trap is 3 minutes. This one is totally different than hourglass. So over here, what we're looking for first is what trend we're in, right? So right now we already identified that we're in a downward trend. Second step is we're looking for the start of that downtrend, right? Now, right here, if I zoom in, you guys can see here's the start of the downtrend. So when we have these candles right here. Now, next thing that you're looking for is, actually, let me go ahead and go to a different one because we have consolidation right here, right? So you can see market stays stagnant right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and come over here to the start of the downtrend again. So we see that there's these red candles moving downwards. Now, me personally, I like to see at least 2 candles or more moving in that direction. So right now we have 3 candles, right? So that's the first step. Second step, a retracement candle, meaning if we're in a downwards trend, we're looking for a blue candle moving in the opposite direction. So that's the retracement candle. So boom, we have it right here. Here's our retracement candle. I'm actually gonna use this box. So boom, there's our blue retracement candle. So that moved in opposite direction, right? So we're in a downwards trend. Here's that blue candle moving in the opposite direction. So after that, what you're looking for, it could be, one thing I want you guys to also remember is it could be one retracement candle, it could be a couple of them. So after the retracement candles are just retracement candles or retracement candle, you're looking for a confirmation candle telling you that market is still in that downward movement. So let me delete this. Boom. Here's our confirmation candle after the retracement candle telling us that market is still pushing down. Now this one's a little bit tricky because you can see over here, just like hourglass, right? There's a timer right here. So after this candle were to end, it would have ended right here where the body of the candle is. Like you see the wick, it came down here, but the candle actually ended right here where the body of the candle is. After this counts down, so you guys can see the box on the right hand side, it says 0.91762, right? So we only care about the last three numbers, 762. As soon as this next candle is created, it would have been right here, right? I would have took the sell for 3 minutes. So I would have got in at 761. Now, this is just, you have to really look at the numbers on the right hand side because it's not telling you the entry. This is what it's something you're actually going to have to look at. So right now, as soon as that next candle is created, you're going to go to you would be on your broker already because you already see that there's a confirmation candle. This is that red confirmation candle. So as soon as that counts down 3, 2, 1, you would be on your broker. And as soon as that candle starts, you would go ahead and press that sell button. Make sure your timer's on 3 minutes, and you'd be taking a 3-minute sell. Now, boom, you would have took the sell right here. Again, we're on a 1-minute chart, meaning that this candle is 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, right? So we would have to go 3 candles over. So I would have took the sell here. This is 1 minute. This is 2 minutes. This is 3 minutes. I would have won the trade all the way down here. Everybody kind of see how that works? So I'm going to go over it one more time. Hold on, wait. He said entry is 7:26. This whole video will be uploaded. Yes. So again, here's the start of the downtrend. Here's our retracement candle moving in the opposite direction of the trend you're in. Here's that red confirmation candle confirming that market is still moving in a downward movement, right? So this timer, you see right here, it's at 11:10. As soon as I would actually be on my broker already, I would be on USD CHF. And as soon as it counts down and the next candle is created, that's when I'm pushing 3-minute sell. So again, I would have pressed it right here. Boom. This is 1 minute. This is 2 minutes. This is 3 minutes. I would have cleared. I'm going to show you again how it works. Yeah. Now, boom, here's our consolidation. So we wouldn't want to do anything here because market's doesn't have any strong movement up or down. Now, boom, here's our start of our downtrend again. Actually, am I on the same one? Yeah, I am on the same one. Okay, hold on. All right, now. All right, cool. I'm going to stop confusing myself so I'm not on this one. So I would have took this one. All right, cool. Now you guys can see market consolidated again once more right here, staying stagnant. Staying stagnant a little bit here as well. So we wouldn't trade these ones. All right, boom. Here's our downward movement again, right? Our push down. Now we got our 3 candles pushing down. Let me zoom out a little bit. Hold up, y'all. All right, cool. How can we watch this? I'm gonna have it on my Instagram. Or not Instagram, on my YouTube. All right, so here's our downward movement over here, pushing down. Here's our red or blue retracement candle moving in the opposite direction. Here's our red confirmation candle confirming market is still going down. So as soon as this were to end, even if I took it up here, because this is where the next candle would have started, right? Boom, I would have go ahead and press my 3-minute sell. Now this is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I would have cleared all the way down here. You said on a 1-minute chart, 3-minute trades, and a 5-minute chart. Yep, exactly, Gabby. All right, now for instance, now since we already see we're in a downward trend, right? I'm gonna show you guys how it works in live time. Now, boom, we have our downward movement right here. I like 2 candles or more. So here's our downward movement, right? Now here's our blue retracement candle. Here's another blue retracement candle. So again, it could just be one retracement candle or it could be a set of retracement candles. After this candle, you guys can see here, right? It's 2, 1, right? Now the next candle is being created. Boom, here's our next candle. I would be looking for a red candle to go confirm that market is still pushing down, right? But this is still kind of pushing up, pushing down. So after this 46 seconds, if this candle were to close red, that's my confirmation candle telling me market is still working down. So I would want this candle to close red. So let's see what happens. All right, looks like it's working down. So after this closes, right, if it's staying downward, down in that downwards movement being a red candle, at the 5-second mark, I'd go to USD CHF over here. All right, so it is for sure gonna be a red candle. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm gonna just press it right now. All right, so I got in at 697. You guys see how it's just dropping, dropping. Boom, look, that next candle is dropping red as well. Did anybody take that with me? Mm-hmm. Boom, look at that. Look at that. 694, okay. That's a little iffy. You really wanna try to get in as soon as possible, but within those next 3 candles, you should be in profit. But look, this literally worked out perfect for y'all. Look at that drop on that candle. Now after this closes, what you're looking for is a blue retracement candle. You want to see the retracement going up. After that, hold on, please. Yes, sir. So boom, look, now we're getting a blue candle. Let's see if it pushes back down red. But we're in deep profits right now. All right, look, that shit is dropping. Dropping. Did y'all take that? All right, cool. Yep, exactly, huh? It's not reversing at all. It's just dropping, dropping, dropping. Only seeing red, exactly. This is perfect. So let's go look at another one. Now I'm gonna go to my broker. I'll go ahead and find another high paying pair. Never touch the USD SEC or USD rub. Let's go to Euro GBP. First clear of the day, first trade. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna go to Euro GBP now. The same thing works for the 5 minutes if you would take, 15-minute entries. But I know a lot of you guys don't want to take 15-minute entries, so I'm just gonna show you guys 1 minute right now. All right, but so Euro GBP. We're gonna go to the M1 chart. Now again, first things first, we're looking to see what trend is on. Yeah, you can also make a demo on TradingView as well, or not TradingView, Pocket Options, not bad. All right, so 1 minute chart. I'm scrolling out. I'm trying to see like, all right, what trend is the market kind of in, right? You guys see it's kind of working itself up. It went up, it went up, went up, dropped, it's dropped. Now it's giving us this strong push up right now, right? So now what I'll be looking for is a set of blue candles. Actually, this one is a little bit weird. Let me go to another one. I really like how that one was looking. So I'm gonna go to Euro JPY. I do fixed time on. All right, so Euro JPY. This one is actually consolidating right now, as you guys can see right here. It's kind of just staying boxed up right here. Same with this, like it's not any real strong movement pushing up or down. It's just kind of staying stagnant. So let's go look at the 5-minute chart. Same thing. So this is really showing me or telling me market's consolidated right now. So it's staying stagnant. It doesn't have any strong movement up or down. It's just staying in this area. So I want to take this one. Now I'm gonna go back to my broker. I go find another one that's paying out CHFJPY. That one. Boom, I like this one. It's in the upward movement. All right. So let's go ahead and look at where it's at right now. And I'm gonna show you guys how this kind of works as well. Actually, it's staying stagnant right here. No real strong movement. All right, no, actually we already missed it because look, here's our 2 candles pushing up, right? Here's our 2 sets of retracement candles. I would have got in for that 3-minute buy right here as soon as this candle started 20 seconds ago, and we'd be in deep profit right now at 790. So now we already missed this one, but there's our movement up, our 2 retracement candles. There's our, actually this is our confirmation candle right here. So if this closes in 20 seconds and it stays blue, the next candle, I'm going in and I'm pressing buy. So let's wait these 15 seconds. We already know it's gonna go in. It's on 1819. Yeah, 819. Let me see what mine's at. So again, I'm gonna show you guys upward movement, set of retracement candles. This is gonna be our confirmation candle telling us that market's still pushing up. As soon as that closes, I'm going in for a 3-minute buy. So I got in at 812. Now it also kind of looks like let's say, let's go to the 5-minute chart, right? And let's see. All right, cool. It actually is moving up in an upward movement. I wanted to just make sure that it wasn't gonna consolidate right here because it kind of looks like on a 1-minute chart, it's staying stagnant right here, right? It's kind of staying stagnant. But on a 5-minute chart, it's actually showing me that it's moving up. So that's why I like to look at the 5 and the 1. It might be more set up on the 5. But we're gonna go ahead and see how this one plays out. So we have profits right now. All right, no problem, bro. Did anybody else take this trade? Bet. 806. Damn, what broker are you on? You took it all the way down here. You in deep profits. Pocket options. Oh, okay. Are you guys in profit flow right now? I know pocket options, like, it doesn't really kind of hit the entry that I might be calling out. So just let me know if you guys are in profits at least. I bet. See, this candle is being weird. It's not even showing me the candle on the 1 minute. So let's go look at the 5. This isn't either. Okay, there we go. Looks like we're getting a blue candle on that one. Here we go, boom. We want a strong push up. It's just kind of flatlining. Boom, there we go. There we go. Curtis, when did you enter? Yeah. You just cleared? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Stop playing. Y'all might like this better than Hourglass. Yeah, big clears, big clears, big clears. I appreciate you, Curtis. All right, bet. So let's go look right now, right? So now what I'm looking for, because it's already doing its push up, right? We want to see a retracement candle because we have two blue candles right here. So let me delete these now. So these are our two push-up candles, right? So we want this candle to close blue because again, we want to see two candles moving in that direction. It could be two or more. So after these set of blue candles, we want to see a red retracement candle and then a blue confirmation candle telling us that it's still going up. So this one we'll have to wait. We will be wanting to see like a red candle, but it might still be working itself up right now. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. $102. That's what I'm talking about, Curtis. All right, I'm gonna do one more. Let's go look at GBP JPY. Yeah, GBP JPY. Boom, yes sir. This was in an upwards movement as well. So now what we're looking for, look, here's our set of blue candles going up, right? This is gonna be our red retracement candle. After this closes, we're looking for a blue confirmation candle telling us that it's still gonna be pushing up. So boom, this one just ended. We want this candle to be blue, telling us that it's still going up, but we might have a set of retracement candles. So we might have to wait for our retracement candles. But after our red candles, we're looking for a blue candle to tell us that it's still pushing up. So let's go ahead and wait this one out. Yeah, 3 minutes. Y'all fucking with this strategy though? Let me know, let me know. Bet. I'm glad you like it, Tiffany. That's a fit. No entry price yet, bro. I've been wanting to learn this one. Blaze, I know you finna go crazy with this one. All right, cool. Look, now the next candle just got created, so it looks like it's still pushing down. So this is what I mean that we might have a set of retracement candles. So we're just really waiting for our blue confirmation candle. So look, it looks like it might push up. Boom. Here's our confirmation candle if it closes blue, but it has to close blue. After that candle closes blue, we're going to our broker and we're pressing buy. So let's see what this does. Yeah, no problem. I appreciate y'all all staying on this call. All right, so it looks like this is still going to be our retracement candle. So after these 10 seconds, let's go ahead and hope that we got a blue candle. No problem. Anytime, y'all, anytime. I'm gonna for sure to be doing these trainings a lot more often. Damn, another retracement candle. So we're still waiting. No, you should be looking at the 1 minute chart. Now you're good. I don't have a Telegram. I have a YouTube channel though. This is my YouTube channel right here. So I have like my strategy right here is the ping pong one, and I actually kind of explain a DeLorean one as well. But I'll be posting this as well as an updated training on my strategy. At what point can you call it a reversal and move on? Honestly, unless it just really starts breaking all the way down, like we still might see a confirmation candle because you see here like we have 3 retracement candles. Here's our like here's the uptrend. Here's our 3 retracement candles. Here's our confirmation candle. We would have took a buy on this candle for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We would have cleared. So for that, I would just kind of more so just be waiting to see if we get that blue confirmation candle. If I kind of see at least like 6 candles, I'll probably just go on to the next one. So I don't really see after like 6 candles is really kind of pushing in that downward movement. But look, here's our blue confirmation. So your zooms will be in HFX party channel. Yes, sir. Exactly. All right, cool. So here's our confirmation candle. Boom. I'm going in. Oh, did that not close blue? I'm tripping. It didn't close blue. I shouldn't have got in yet. I hope y'all did not get in. Got in at, oh shit, 8:44. I got in at 8:49. I thought that candle was blue. Was I tripping? Alright, cool. Or maybe I was just seeing blue candles because I wanted one so bad. Yeah. My bad, Curtis. I should have waited. I thought it was a blue candle I was seeing. I might just have to roll this thing over. Okay, cool. Let's switch last second. Alright, I thought I was tripping. I'm gonna just roll this over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so if we get a blue candle, if we don't get a blue candle on this one, then I would just go ahead and move on to the next part. But look, now we're getting a blue candle. So here's the push up. There's our retracement candle. If this closes blue, this is telling us that it's still going to work up in that upwards direction. And after this candle closes, that's whenever you would want to go ahead. So after this 18 seconds, if this is still blue, you will go in at that entry. How do you know when the market is going to reverse before taking a trade? So, like I said, after if it's more than 6 candles, like you see here, so it only went to 6. I only noticed like when I kind of played around with this strategy, after it hits the 7th candle, it kind of is really just going to start reversing in that downward movement. So boom, that's our confirmation candle. This is when I'd be going in for a buy. Yeah. No, so you see how this is going upwards right here, and here's our set of retracement candles. That's the blue confirmation candle. So this is that next candle that you would have got in on. This can be red, but the next 2 candles should be blue, unless it's moving and unless it's reversing right now. Oh yeah, I forgot you're on pocket options, huh, Curtis? You can't roll over. All good. You win some, you lose some. It's all good. Load your IQ set with 50, bro. You can get IQ set so you have that rollover option, but this candle definitely should be pushing up. There we go. There we go. Come on with it. I might just have to roll one more time. Maybe not. But does anybody have any questions? This is gonna be the last one I take. Imagine if all your HBX brokers have 1,000. Man, I do have 2 accounts that I do trade on, but the other one does not have 1,000 for sure. All right. Appreciate y'all hopping on. Does anybody have any questions before I hop up on here? I hop up off here. I'll post this on my YouTube in about an hour. Takes a little bit for it to load. No. I bet I appreciate y'all hopping on and see y'all on Monday's training. All right, bet I got you, Curtis. All right, peace.